Hello and welcome to this week Bitcoin update. Before we get started, remember, nothing in these updates represents financial advice, it's just my view of the market. Also, before we get started, I have a quick announcement to make, which I'm sure you'll like it. Starting next week, I'll be posting the YouTube updates on Monday. This way you can be prepared for the new week. And I will also do another YouTube at the end of the week with more educational content. So, if you want to learn about something specific, anything regarding technical analysis, indicators, or even how to use specific tools on TradingView, please let me know in the comments. Great, now we can go to our chart, our super red chart. But we don't panic when we have all the levels prepared in advance. Let's see what happened here. Let's go on a 4-hour time frame. Our range lows didn't offer any meaningful reaction. She front ran it and had a quick bounce and then went straight through it. Also, the swing failure pattern of April's lows was super messy. She front ran it twice and then when she finally made it, she just bounced a little. No meaningful market structure breaks, so nothing to work with here. We are just waiting now. Looking at this price action, for me looks like a slow bleed. Slow bleed environments are pretty hard to navigate because you get bounces, usually very aggressive on lower time frames, but they are retraced as aggressive as they went up. The best thing to do is sit on your hands and wait for main areas of interest. Where she is now, we don't have much to work with. If we zoom out a little, we can see we have a yearly point of control here, a naked one. Let's add it to the chart, which is around 63k. Let's name it yearly endpoke. So between where she is now and our main area of interest, which is golden pocket from bear market lows to all-time high, the only thing we can work with is this yearly naked point of control. But as I said, with the swing failure pattern of April's lows, she needs to get a quick bounce from it, because if not, she'll continue the slow bleed down and we'll have to wait until our golden pocket. If she decides to turn around from here, I don't know, maybe from due to FOMO, then range lows will be our first area of resistance. Let's update our fib retracement and see if we get anything here. Remember, price is moving down, so our fibs will move with the price. This 382 now, the macro one, doesn't give us anything nice, maybe just a swing failure pattern of these little highs here. So let's find something more local, meaning a fib from here to here, so from the last high to the current low. And this one is nice. We now have the 382 on the range lows, so we'll mark this one as first area of resistance. If she can get back inside the range, she has freeway up until golden pocket yearly open. As you can see, there's nothing here, there's no volume, it went straight down. So every move that goes straight down, she can easily reverse it straight up. If she can get out of this range, same thing here, we have a thin move, so the way up to golden pocket and this fib algo is pretty thin. Now inside of this fib algo we have a few sticky zones. So for the time being, golden pocket usually offers a reaction, but I will not mark every single one of these until price starts to turn around, change some market structure, and then we can finally start counting the three waves move up. Then we can use our fib extension tool and we can find extra confluences within this fib algo. Outside of this one, we have swing failure pattern of all-time high, and this is pretty much it. So long story short, take it easy, don't FOMO into swings yet unless we reach an important area of interest. If you want more detailed updates for day trading, Join us in Spitfire Discord, where you'll find daily updates, 3 times a week live trading sessions, and a full library of educational content. Until next week, have a nice weekend, and I can't wait to see you with the new things we got prepared for you. Bye bye!